Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have uh, started with the forklift truck modeling over here. So we'll be just continuing that part over here. So very first of all, we'll be just working on this steering wheel over here. So very first of all, I'll just go into this polygons, and first I'll delete all its polygons over here. Let's go to the vertices, right click, weld. So I'll just weld it first. We can just select this vertices and just go on welding it. So just go on welding it. So after that, you can just select the border and you can just cap it. Select the border, cap it and isolate this. Alright, now we're not going with very high details over here. Let's go into this view over here and let's create the tires. So for this tires, let's take a cylinder over here. Let's take a cylinder. So let's just select this whole thing, slightly just push it out. Take a cylinder over here. So just drag this a bit out, scale it, push it up, drag it here. Alright. Slightly scale it, just drag it out. Select this part. So let's select this part over here, go into this and increase its reduce its height segments first and increase its sides over here. So after you have increased this over here, we'll be just doing the details on this. So convert to editable poly over here. Select the polygons over here. Let's give a bit of inset over here. Again give a bit of inset, bevel it, slightly push it inside. Again give inset and give extrude and slightly just push it inside and click OK. So let's again use a swift loop over here and just push it out this way. So you can just select these edges, and if you want to give a bit of chamfer to it, you can just slightly assign a chamfer over here in this way. So again select this polygons over here, again go give a bit of inset and let's slightly give a bit of bevel over here and click OK. So again give a bit of inset, slightly give a bit of extrude over here and click OK. So let's go over here again. Let's take again a cylinder over here. So reduce its sides. You can just convert to editable poly. Press 4. Inset it. Click OK. And slightly extrude it again. So just drag this till here. Go into hierarchy, effect pivot only, and push it to the center of this object. So you can press S and you can just shift it till here. So press E and rotate it in whatever degrees you want. You can just set the degree. How you can set the degree? You can just go into this and set it as 30 degrees over here and make sure you on this. Now you make the multiple copies. That's it. So once you're done, you can just select this and slightly just push it inside over here. So select this again, go into the edges over here. So select this, control and click on the edge and let's just give a chamfer to it. Right click and isolate this. Much better. So you can just select this stuff. So you can just select this. You can just select this whole thing. And we can slightly push it. Go into this, mirror it, copy it in this x-axis over here. This one. That's it. So now if you want that this should be pushed more down, so that can be easily done over here. So that can be done. We'll slightly push this down more. So in whatever ways you want, you can go with that. So you can just select this vertices and just slightly push it further. Same on this side. Select the vertices and slightly just push it further in this way. Select this, attach it with this, select the vertices and slightly just push it up. Select this and this and slightly push this up. So select this again, exclude this all, and push this up. So you can just scale it to place it in that way. So just shift and drag and duplicate it on the other side. Save your file. After that, we can go with this. We can select this and let's just attach it with this. Press 4. Let's give a bit of inset and let's just bridge it. Okay, before doing that, I'll just take a copy of this tire first. That would be much better over here. So now attach this with this, isolate selection, go into the polygons and let's give a bit of inset and let's give a bridge option and isolate. Okay, so you can go into this again. For the back part, you can just resize this. So if you want to resize it, you can easily resize this stuff over here in this. So I'll again go into this. I'll slightly just push it inside. I'll just drag it inside over here. I have already reduced the size of the tire over here. So that will be over here in this way. After that, let's just go to the top view. Over here we can just make a copy of it. Let's go into this view over here. Let's take one more copy of it. So select this all, press shift and drag, duplicate it, scale it and just put it over here. Okay, so just select this and if you want to attach it, just attach it. Again select this, both the polygons over here, give inset over here and let's just inset it more and just bridge it. So you can easily bridge this stuff. And now let's go over here into this, we can just hide this stuff by any of the means, like we can just put something like this, or you can just slightly extrude this out. Extrude this down this way, and definitely will reshape this stuff if it is required, so we can just slightly reshape it. Alright, so save your file once again over here. So guys, if any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So thanks for watching this tutorial.